When optimizing a website, SVGs have become a popular format due to its small file size. But there's another compelling reason to use SVGs: reducing HTTP requests. For example, it's not too uncommon for PNG icons to still be used on web pages. What's the big deal if both the PNG and SVG are about the same in file size? Overlooking the other benefits to inline SVG, such as the ability to dynamically style and avoid pixelation when the user invariably zooms in 200%. There's still one big difference between the SVG and PNG icons in this situation. Let's say you have 10 icons on the web page. With PNG files, you're making 10 HTTP requests and 0 with inline SVG. A high number of requests is a common issue that speed tests identify as a cause of slower load times. A counterpoint to inline SVG is that it won't benefit from getting cached. Therefore, if these icons are loaded on a second web page, your browser already has PNGs, but has to fetch the same exact inline SVG code again and again. External resources are clearly better after the first load. The workaround? Well, what if instead of inlining the SVG in HTML, we did so in a CSS? Your CSS file is cached just like the PNGs, right? To place inline SVG in your CSS, we have to use what's called a data URI. What is a data URI? Well, forget the acronym. In all practicality, it's the data that makes up a file in string form. For SVGs, it's literally the SVG code with some minor tweaks. How do you make a data URI? I use this SVG to CSS conversion tool by literally pasting my SVG code and copying the output. Just make sure you avoid tools that convert SVGs to base 64, as that produces 50% more markup and the markup is unreadable gobbledygook. Take the data URI output and use it with the CSS property background image. You lose some of the benefits of inline SVG. However, you can still manipulate the style with CSS classes, which is quite useful. I've made the case for using SVG data URIs as a speed optimization, but there is another huge payoff. With the data URIs, we're avoiding the use of files. This means no image uploads or messing with file paths. Personally, I find this creates a faster web development workflow. It might seem weird at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll clearly see the benefit of being able to copy and paste images. It's so quick. Want to try this out yourself? Visit SVG.com for a growing collection of SVGs that you can paste right into your HTML or CSS. Enjoy.